Alright, I got the carburetor out of the car. It was really easy to get out. I just used an adjustable wrench to get these lines off. And then I had two bolts here holding down in place, and then just the linkage in the back. I just had a clip attaching it to the carburetor, and then after getting that off with the screwdriver, it just came right out. And yeah, I got it inside, so let's go over there. Taking the carburetor out of the car and taking it apart have been very easy. Now, the tricky part, I suppose, is going to be putting it back together and adjusting it all. So, I went ahead and already started putting some of the hardware on. So, new pieces, old pieces, old gasket for the new one. Carburetor. I got the rebuild kit for it online from Eckler's chevys.com. The kit came with instructions, which made putting the carburetor back together easy because it had all the individual small components inside the carburetor clearly marked. Rebuilding a Rochester carburetor is a time-consuming DIY project, but it's still a better alternative than going out and buying a new one or having someone else rebuild it for you.